Hello guys, welcome to a new video. So today we will be reacting to a video. Rescuing puppies at an abandoned house, I think. It's by those two Indian men, you know? Two Indian men. I don't know if they're Indian or not. But anyways, if you are new, please like and subscribe. I'd be appreciated. Now let's hop on to the video. Poor doggo. Poor doggo. Oh wait, it's one man, it's not two of them. I don't think it's from that channel though. I don't really know, I forgot the name of the channel. Was it like called like Wilderness or something? Then anyways. Oh, now he's putting them in the basket, patting them. Oh, this is just acting, by the way. It's just acting. Guys, now this is like where the part begins. How long is this video actually? 14 minutes. Okay. Now he's skilled, not gonna lie, but I think they just have people like working under them. Working like for them, I mean, sorry. He's stepping himself in the mud. Ew! Ew! Anyway, so I don't really know if that's a disgusting thing or not. I mean, it kinda is, because you just get dirty and there's like bacteria all over you. Can be used as like sticky glue, right? I don't know how to say it, but oh, now he's making a pet house. It looks pretty nice. It looks classic, boy. It looks classic. I'm guessing that this is like a pool thing or like a place for your food. Alright, I don't know what this is, but okay. 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 It looks pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. Now this is like the fountain thing, like for the water. Alright. Alright then, now there's water going on. It looks nice. Guy, I'm drunk. Oh, let's see that did. Alright, now there's like the basket things. Oh, They're so cute. He's so cute. Now that was a nice video, guys. This man is actually really kind. I mean, I know it's just acting and stuff, but just pretend that it's real, okay? Okay. Anyways, now that man was kind, and he built a house for the dogs and stuff, and he used like stuff from the wild, like not stuff from like the city and stuff. Please like and subscribe if you are new here. I'd be appreciated. And now, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.